Hello, my name is Cucunato, and this is my first edition of Cucu's Quick Tips. Try saying that one really fast. Cucu's Quick Tips. Cucu's Quick... Bah, it's like a tongue twister. So anyway, this first one, because I am in dire need of it, I'm going to teach you a little thing that I picked up in grad school about nails. I think it was Thomas Viloteau. He made a video a while back about a little trick that he does for filing nails. I can't remember the exact name though. Where you take some sandpaper and then you put the sandpaper over the strings and then you just pluck the strings regularly. So that way you can get a good sound on the guitar, including the basses, without a scratching wound sound, without having to change the angle of your hand. I think that's good and all, but personally for me, I wasn't crazy about it because whenever I tried to hold down onto the sandpaper tightly on the string, I would wind up changing the angle of my attack. But then when I would remove the sandpaper and try to play normally, then I would go back to my normal angle for my attack and then my sound wouldn't be ideal. So I found a way, after learning a few things from Ernesto Bettetti, who was my professor during grad school, that really helped me. There are essentially 3 things you will need, if you're me at least. The first you will need is
a mouse, a mouse, a mouse.
So if you're me and you have like really strong nails, like if I try to file this down to my preferred length and size, then this will just take forever. So literally I will just take nail clippers and clip a little bit of it to then just file and smooth it out from there. So looking at it here, I'm probably just gonna file down to, I think like, or just clip. I'm gonna clip right about here. I'm gonna clip about that much off and then just kind of file from there. So that's the first little thing. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty much what I do there. Yeah, and then from there, actually I could even go a little bit shorter. Kind of looking at it now. Okay, yeah, so then right about there, then I'm just gonna file and kind of go from there. Going back to Thomas Viloteau's video. So instead of taking some sandpaper and putting that on the strings and then just attacking the strings as normal, I like to just take this and attack it as if it were the string. So with my thumb, for instance, I'll just do this. That's pretty much it. Oh, also, forgot to mention too, if you notice any little corners or edges, so right there, this I want to be round and smooth. Let me just show again with the thumb here. So this is basically just it. I'm just gonna kind of go like this, get under the nail, kind of go like that. I think the clicking, I mean a little bit of that's gonna be kind of normal, but if you can kind of file it down to sort of minimize the clicking a little bit, that's a decent indicator that if it's enough, you're not going to completely get rid of the clicking, but minimizing it just a little bit. And same thing, I'm just going to literally pluck it like a string and just keep doing this. Actually, yeah, this is really good. A little bit of a click, but it's not. It actually has a decent sound kind of going here.
Hey, what are you doing outside? You're not supposed to be outside right now. Get back in your house! Get back in the house!
This again is if you're plucking a string, and then you'd be surprised by how effective it is. Now I'm going to take the break. And voila. And before I end this video, let me just roll a couple open strings on the guitar and then we'll see how it sounds. Actually, you know, for having like no nail on there, that actually sounds pretty good. This one could be a little bit shorter, but for the sake of this video, yeah, that's actually pretty good. And always remember, if it's not perfect, you can just go back to the nail files and just keep fine-tuning bit by bit. I hope you learned a thing or two from this. This is Cucu's Quick Tips, and I hope you got a quick tip from it, and it helps you in the long run of things. All right, have a good week, and stay special.